Hi and welcome. I'm Reena Agrawal, Research Economist at Veros Real Estate Solutions.
And my name is Eric Cox. I'm Chief Economist at Veros Real Estate Solutions.
Eric, mortgage rates have been declining. They were at 7.22% in early May, and now they have uh, slowly decreased to 6.35%. Yet we are seeing that buyers are sitting on the sidelines and they're kind of apprehensive to purchase a home. Do you have any thoughts on that?
Well, I think there perhaps are varied reasons why that's occurring now. I think first and foremost in people's minds is the economy and the unemployment rate, which they've watched uncomfortably as it creeps up. Over the past year, it's gone up about a percentage point from the low 3% area to now 4.2%. And so naturally, people are going to pause and ask the question, is now the right time? If rates continue to creep up and unemployment, maybe we should wait until the economy is firing on all cylinders and booming before we pull the trigger on a major investment decision. So that could potentially be one reason. I guess I'm wondering, Rena, maybe what your thoughts might be on some other reasons that this could be occurring.
I think another reason could be the supply. Because mortgage rates have been slowly decreasing, supply has been creeping up. But when you look closely at the supply, the number of desirable homes that are available to consumers is actually quite few. A lot of the homes out there need kind of some repair work, or consumers are not finding them in desirable locations or desirable size or the price range. So they have very few choices available, and in that scenario, it's just like those few homes again are getting a lot of offers. So there is competition for those few desirable homes. So that is another reason why people are not purchasing so much as we expected because of the decline in rates. And one more reason I can think of is the Fed meeting is coming up next week. Do you think that is going to impact anything in the market?
Well, that's a very interesting question. I've heard a lot of people saying, let's sit on the sidelines and wait until we see whether the Fed's going to cut rates or not, or if it lowers rates by more than expected. I think there's pretty widespread agreement next week that the Fed is going to cut, and it will cut by either 25, and I think now the prevailing sentiment is 50 basis points. But if we look, the Fed hasn't cut rates yet, and yet interest rates, the 30-year fixed and the 15-year fixed, have already gone down almost a percentage point from their peaks fairly recently. So mortgage interest rates have already adjusted in anticipation of what the Fed is going to do. So the big surprise next week for some people may be that when the Fed does cut rates, mortgage rates probably won't change very much, assuming it's the 25 to 50 basis point cut that is widely expected. And maybe just to kind of, Rena, ask to see if there's another potential issue out there that are causing buyers to sit on the sidelines. Recently, there's been a lot of press about the new National Association Realtors commission structure and guidelines if you want to purchase a new house. Now you have to do it a little bit differently. Do you think that potentially is causing any hesitancy by buyers?
I think that might be causing some confusion because buyers still don't know. Everybody does not understand what it means for them, what it means for the buyers when they go out and buy a house. Earlier, the commission was part of the price of the home, but now that buyers' commissions are going to be separate from the sellers' commissions, so they don't know how to approach it, how much they should offer, or how is it going to be part of the whole price of the house, or how much they're going to pay. So I guess everybody needs more education on that. the realtors as well as home buyers. So that might be part of the reason why still buyers are on the sidelines and not buying homes.
There's a lot coming together all at the same time here.
Thank you for joining us today. I'm Reena Agrawal. See you next time.
Bye-bye.